Of 2018, there are incredibly number of fintech startups in America, Europe and Middle East and Africa and Asia Pacific. The fintech investment has developed significantly across M&A, private equity, and venture capital. PayPal has the lowest transaction of payments at $10 billion against TenPay and Alipay. Blockchain has been on its way to being more innovative and popular. So what is fintech and blockchain? Fintech can be defined as any technology in financial services because fintech contributes to the development of new technologies which support the new era and replace traditional financial markets. Looking at the fintech development timeline, it could be seen that innovation and evolution would be continued. A blockchain is a time-stamped series of immutable record of data that is managed by a cluster of computers, not owned by any single entity. Each of these blocks of data secured and brought to each other using cryptographic principles. The blockchain network has no central authority. Since it is a shared and immutable ledger, the information in it is open for anyone and everyone to see, which improves transparency without the illusion of falsification. Moreover, blockchain can contribute to stock market trading. The effect on the banking services, money transfer services, which are the advantage of bank on handling money for many areas, such as payments of tuition fees and salaries and the settlement of business transactions, has uh, has become an important element for both businesses and individuals. Because of its important application, the cost of transfer usually is high by applying percentage charge on each transaction, which is expensive for both domestic and international transfer. The effect on the banking services in capital market, the new fintech innovation has been implemented slowly because of its strict regulation from. Blockchain has produced weighted concern of interest within the capital because of the considerable reduction in complexity and counterparty relationship in the market. In addition, the capital market is divided into three categories as pre-trade, trade, and post-trade. Recently, the trading, clearance, and the settlement for securities to be managed electronically over the internet are enabled by many options. In insurance services, insurers can experience greater opportunities to use blockchain technology to distribute premium and claim payments, simplify the administration and execution processes, and is more transparent and cheaper than the traditional one. The five giant insurances applied the blockchain on insurance industry initiative since 2016 with the aim to serve clients effectively through faster, more convenient, and secure services. The fintech innovation, including blockchain, has created many challenges for traditional banks and financial services. The financial market has experienced the advanced technology innovations which affect the market structure. Hence, fintech, especially blockchains, has created difficult challenges to the financial services industry. With the development of new technologies, it is possible that more people, including customers, companies, and institutions, will shift from traditional financial services to new ones. Consequently, the battle between traditional financial services and technology innovation is likely to create synergy effects because this is just the new stage for blockchains and the investment in this area has been increased